start the day off with a clip. How you doing? Vincent Basile here from Rad Boardsport Company. Right now we're in Brooklyn, New York at the Golconda Skate Park, also known as Fat Kid, the Rad Skate Park check-in across New York City, episode number 22. If you guys don't know what we're up to, we're going around every park in New York City and we're going in them. It's a little cold. Yeah, it is a little chilly today, but we're here. Let's get it. We're walking up the stairs. Guys, right when you walk in, an 8 stair with 2 gigantic rails on the side of them and then 2 ledges on the side. The corner of a bowl. The vert is like gnarly.
I see a lot of people just pump around it, get speed.
Yeah? I hate this freaking thing. If you know how to skate it, skate it. 2-inch coping built into it. I'm sitting on the ledge that nobody skates. Does anyone skate this thing? Maybe when I'm not looking, they skate this thing.
Usually skating.
Moving forward, this bowl here, I don't know, man. What is it?
The bean.
I hate it. I stay away from it. Hate is a bad word. I dislike this bowl. You know, people skate it. Some people may like it. Maybe you gotta spend more time in there.
That's what I'm thinking.
It's a small bowl, but don't be fooled by the smallness, because you will bend body parts. Oh, look at how small this bowl is. Great. Big round rail. Cemented. On this opposite side, you have a bigger rail that's cemented into the ground. I don't think cars are driving up and down here. It's not a guardrail. Wall ride. Small over there, and then it gradually gets bigger. It's waxed up. Should we go in?
Rolling.
Oh, right. The rolling into the park, or right next to this 4 block. You gotta ollie like a step, flatter. Pretty big though. Don't be fooled. It's a nice size set. Right next to the 4 block is a bank. It's like a hip. Gnarly hip, more inclined. I don't know the degrees. And do you know the degrees?
Bust out your protractor.
I got no clue. On the other side of the hip, like another corner section, I feel like this bowl section is less steeper than that top part we showed you. You gotta find your sweet spot. It's like a street surfer's paradise, coming around and you're slashing the bank, all that good stuff. That's a cool feature. I like that box. You hit it from the side. It's flat. You could hit it on the bank side.
Curved on the inside.
Yo, Trump smokes bits. Whatever that means. But here's another bench. Like we just showed you there. This thing's better than that. You have more like space. 4 blocks right up this way. That's what I like about this park. That's more my style. Do you think I could do 4 different grind tricks in a line in a row? The world may never find out. Yo, Ant just told me he doesn't think I could hit every feature in the park.
Let's see you hit that wall ride, dog.
You might be right, you might be wrong. But yo, check out this other like ledge fun box. This thing's super long. Everything's connected to each other. Euro gap right here. There's a flat bar. And it's long as hell. That's a big feature right here. Also got that thing connected to it. Yo, it never ends. Another box. Ledge. Yo, they brought the Brooklyn banks here. These are the bricks from the Brooklyn banks. Fact check me on that though. Look at it. That's hard. I think it's hard.
That's New York, dog.
This is a weird one. It's like a banked ledge.
It's like marble or something, is it? What is it?
Radial. Marble? Is it? I don't know. It's a good question.
Get the lamps down here.
There it is, guys.
There it is.
The Brooklyn banks.
There you have it.
Flat bar, rail. It's nice and bolted. It ain't going nowhere. This rail's nice because it's like chunky, like 4 inches thick, square rail. Okay, I like this park, but it's weird because it's slanted. So like you're gonna go one way. This is a 2 stair and you're like going uphill. It's like a rad feature, but you're working harder to get your trick. Another fun box. This feature's cool because it makes a turn. Can you grind and turn? Yeah, I don't know. Someone built this and was like, yo, we're gonna build it like that.
Oh, it was a handball.
Nah, definitely not. It could have been a hand. Oh yeah, a handball.
It's right there. There's one right there.
All right, cool. Bring the handball. Don't bring the handball. Sketch. The Golconda Park sketches me out. Whoever dropped the lockbox with the brooms, thank you. We gotta hire someone to come here. Literally put in like an hour or 2. I'll do it. I'll do it. Woo! That was a lot of work.
Everybody's got to do their part.
Yep.
You didn't just like do that for 2 seconds, right? You've been doing that for a while.
Oh, I was here at 7 o'clock in the morning. In this section now, more stuff over here. Ledge connected to this little bank area. It starts off super high on that end. That looks like the sweet spot. There's another ledge right there too. Should we go over there and talk about this stuff?
Might as well. Let's do it.
All right.
That's doable.
Bro, 3 stair. 1, 2, 3. And then a rail. Another bank. Unbelievable. Banks, ledges, galore. Look, another roll-in connected to this crashed UFO site. It's interesting. It's gnarly too. I've never actually stood up here. And another one right here. It's brick.
It's cold.
If you're not from New York, do you even say that word? I want to know. Huge roll section.
One thing I would bring up is it definitely floods.
Yeah, I've definitely seen it. And great point. Bring your snorkel. Shout out to all the locals that take their time to come down here and clean up the place. We definitely appreciate that.
I think these locals are like just giving like kids lessons too.
I'm not really sure what they're doing.
True.
Yeah, I'm not really in their business.
That's
But
true.
they are here.
They're here.
But I don't know what they're doing. Last thing in the park.
It looks like the monolith.
Holy smokes, look at this. Come on, I want to show you. But look at this area. My back hurts just looking at it. Wall ride, straight up and down. Who's dropping off the top? That's what I want to know. That's the park. Done talking. You know what time it is. Hopefully I can skate good. Only God knows at this point how good I'm going to do. Someone bring me an egg sandwich. Good? No, thank you.
No doubt, man.
So far so bad. All right, 4 boxes. You're gonna get 4 trays.
There's people sitting on them.
No, I already did a switch nose slide on that box.
Oh,
so there's
okay,
3
okay,
more
okay.
boxes. Now we're going. More clips than you. Probably. I suck today. Wow.
Yeah, that was nice. You're gonna get the tail right here.
Tail stall. Back up, my brother, man.
Yeah, let's see it.
see that.
Let's go. He wants to see it, bro.
All right, I'm gonna try it.
Give the people what they want. Let's
I
go.
had a pop-up board, do like a pop
What? Got it. What'd you say? ground report. Sticks and rocks everywhere you go. Everywhere I look, there's someone falling down. But hey, it's smooth. It's up, it's down, it's left, it's right. Get out of here. That was it. How you doing? My name's BETSY. We're signing out of here.
Huh? You're about to leave?
Let's see that 5-0.
Scoot, scoot.
Send it. Oh!
Rad Nyc Skateparks.
Oh! Forget about it.
Keep it up, bro. Keep up the good work.
Yo, what's your name?
Javier.
What up, Javier? Good job.
You in the video, Javier.
Yes. Thanks for watching the video if you made it this far. Did not skate my best today, but we're signing out of here. Find us at Rad Boardsport Co. on Instagram, Facebook, our website, www.radboardsport.co. While you're on the website, check out the interactive map. See all the parks we went to.
And just a list of all the NYC parks.
What that we've been to.
Every park. I just
Oh,
put
you
it on
put 'em
there,
on
and
there?
then I'm adding our episodes as we do.
Wow.
That's what I'm saying.
Guys, check out all the parks. There's a lot out there. Got a list of them for you. Done. Ride all day.
Make sure you throw out your garbage and ride all day. Yee!